In this video, I will explain you about random access in files using tell and seek function. Till now, we have focused on sequential processing of data in a text file. Actually, binary file I have not used in this video. So, at present, I am explaining you only text files, but we can use these two functions seek and tell in both files, binary as well as in text file. Here, what's the meaning of seek? Seek file means to put file pointer at the position for write purpose. Means like whenever we make a physical file, and means first we have written the heading of any topic, then after that we left some space, or we can say we leave some lines. After that we write another content of, based on that topic. Means in this way we are placing our pen to that position. This is called as seek. The seek function is used to change the position of the file handle or file pointer to a given specific position. File pointer is like a cursor. You see here I am placing the cursor. Means means I can place cursor at any position. Means here I have placed the cursor, and it is showing position, but actually it is not showing the taskbar here. Okay, just wait. I am what I will do here, I will just wait. Actually I have opened so many files here, and now I will open this one. You see here it is showing the position. Actually it is not showing the position here, but it is showing page to 624th letter, and in this way, means these are the basically position where we can type the means content. The meaning of the cursor means it allow to type the content at any location in the file. So file pointer is like a cursor which defines from where the data has to be read or written in the file. Means we can use seek function for both purpose, read or write purpose. Python file method seek sets the file's current position at the offset. This argument is optional and default value is 0, which means absolute file positioning. Other values are 1, which signifies seek is relative, may change to the current position. Like here, this is called as current position. So this is the default location, means default position in a file, and 2 means seek is relative to end of the file. There is no return value. Okay, I am explaining here what is the meaning of that. At present here the pointer, file pointer at this location. 1 means above this one, means this is the current location, and 1 means before this one, means this content is before the this one cursor position here. And means when I want to read the data from the end here, means from this way, like here, this is called as this 2, means relative to the end of the file. There is no return value, and this function do not return any value. The reference point is defined by from what argument. It can have any of 3 values. 0 sets the reference point at the beginning of the file. 0 means like here, if I place the keyboard cursor here, this, it is called beginning of the file. Now the next, it is by default, the next is 1 here, sets the reference point at the current file position here, and 2 means sets the reference point at the end of the file. Basically these 3 decides the reference point of the file pointer. Seek can be done in 2 ways: absolute or absolute positioning, relative positioning. This absolute referencing using seek given the file number on which the file pointer has to position itself. The syntax for the seek is f. F is a file pointer, seek file location, where f is the file pointer. F dot seek 20 will give the position or file number where the file pointer has been placed. This statement shall move the file pointer to 20th byte in the file pointer no matter where you are. Means wherever I am I am in this position here, means it will place file pointer here, right? Relative referencing positioning has two arguments, offset and the position from which it has to traverse. The syntax for relative referencing is this: f dot seek offset comma from what, where f is the file pointer. F dot seek minus 10 comma 1 means 1 means current position, here means 10 bytes backward, means the current position actually means 10 means bytes backward, and f dot seek 10 comma 1 means current position move 10 bytes forward, means forward means like here, and back means before. F dot seek minus 20 comma 1 means 20th bytes backward. F dot seek 10 comma 0 means beginning of the file, means move 10 bytes forward. Now point to remember, this is to be keep in mind. Python 3.x only supports text file. Seeks from the beginning of the file. Seek with negative offset only works when the file is opened in binary mode. Okay, you keep this thing in your mind. And tell, the another function tells the current position. Like here I am in this position here, and it means I have to count number of characters from the beginning, and then it will tell the current position of the file, where f is the file pointer here. Okay, I am deleting this one. Computer science with Python. When we open file in reading or writing mode, the file pointer resets at 0th byte. And next is when you open a file in append mode, the file pointer resets rest at the last byte. This is illustrated in the practical implementation that follows. Okay, here now I am explaining you using this program. This is the program for this one. Okay, here I am minimizing this one. Just wait. Now here I am opening the file. Open. Here my files are at this location. Files for Python programs. Here means I have created one file, student.txt. Then this file I will open only for read purpose. Then print here before reading f dot tell, means the meaning of this tell function, it will tell the current position. Then print, then okay, I will read some bytes here. F dot read, here s equal to f dot read. Then print after reading f dot tell, then f dot seek 0. It will place at the beginning of the file. Then again print from beginning, again f dot tell. Then here s equal to f dot read 4. Then what it will do here, print first 4 bytes are, then s, then print f dot tell, then s equal to f dot read 3, print next 3 bytes as print f dot tell f dot close. Now I will save this program, and here I will save this program prog tell 1. Then I will run this program. Okay, before this I have to check this path is correct or not. Here where I have saved this file, I have saved this file here. My all files are stored in this folder, and I will type the correct path of the file here, paste, then double slash. Now I will run this program. Okay, what it is showing, student.txt. Okay, here what I did here, why it is showing this error, and what I did here, I did that I opened this file student.txt, but this file doesn't exist in this directory or folder. Okay, why it is showing error? Okay, I will specify this file. Okay, let me to copy the name of this file here. Here I will copy it. Now it will show the correct output. You see here it is showing before reading 0. Now I will show the file also. This is one poem here. Both things I will show you together. Before reading, you see here it is showing the correct position here, means the cursor position is this position, and this is the 0th position. And after reading, when it will read, means whenever you apply the read function, means in this program, this one here, f dot read, it will read 393, means the number of characters are here 393 from the beginning again. How it placed here? Due to this one, f dot c 0, means 0 when you use, it will place the file pointer at the beginning, means 0th location. Now first 4 bytes are like, means these are the 4 bytes. Then why it is showing 4 here? Because I have used f dot tell. F dot tell, it will print the current position of the file pointer. The file pointer position is 4 here. Next 3 bytes. Then next 3 bytes. Then after that, again here I have used f dot tell, and f dot tell it will display 7 here. Why it is showing 7? Because the file pointer position is here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the file pointer position. Now again I will show you the use of this one function, but before this let me to close all the programs. I have opened so many programs and they are taking the space of the RAM, and maybe they can decrease the speed of the computer because they are occupying the RAM here. Okay, let me to run this program. Nothing is in this program. Now I'll close this one. Okay, I think let me to check how many programs are open at present here. Okay, now it is all right. I have closed all the programs. Now I will explain you the use of this one. Some points here I told you f dot seek minus 10 comma 1. This thing I will tell you. Okay, here I will tell you f dot seek 10 comma 1, 10 comma minus 1. Let me to check what it will display. Okay, it is showing error here. Why it is showing error here? Because you see this is the previous output, because it is showing error because we are at the byte number 7 and here I am using minus 10. How it can move the 10th byte from the current position, so it will display the error. It is showing error here due to this reason. Before this I have to move the file pointer again to some more characters. F dot read. Here I am placing file pointer here. Means I am reading 20 bytes or 20 characters from this file. Now I will place this one. And here I will print the current position of the file pointer. Okay, again it is showing error here. Why it is showing error? Can't do unsupported operation. Okay, why it is showing error here? Because I am applying these methods, relative positions, and these methods are applied in binary file and these methods are not applied in text files. That's why it is showing the error here. Now let me to apply this method here, minus 10 comma 1. Okay, again it is showing current relative seeks. These I think they are unsupported operations in text file handling. Now I'll show you where why it is showing, where we apply such type of means offset modes. One thing you keep in your mind, Python 3.x only supports text file. Seek from the beginning of the file, seek with negative offsets only works when the file is opened in binary mode. So that's why it is showing error here. Means, but it should be correct here. Why it is showing the error? Current position. Actually, current position means current position is this position. Okay, I think I have opened this file, that's why it is showing error. Unsupported current relative seeks. Can't do non-zero index. Let me to check this one. Here I am checking the documentation of the Python file handling. Python doc file handling. One thing you keep in your mind, whenever you get some problem, you check the Python documents. These are the official documentation of the Python and it displays the correct thing related with any concept. String format method. Here I want to check the use of seek and tell function. Okay, here I'll use find method. See, this is here f dot seek minus 3 comma 2 f dot read 1. Now I'll show you here. At when 0 means from the beginning of the file, 1 uses the current position and 2 uses the end of the file. Now I'll show you here the use of to here and negative offset. Why it was showing error here for a negative offset and seeking 0. Okay, again, why it is showing error here in my program? Actually, means here the seek, offset, and whence, they are basically used for binary file handling. Maybe again I am checking this one. Okay, here I am not using this one. F dot. I will place file pointer here. 36th byte in a file. Now it is showing correct thing. You see here the current position here is 36th byte. F dot tell means offset, basically it is not supporting in text files. That's why it is showing error here. Okay, let me to check why it is showing error here. Seek, I want to check the correct thing related with the seek method. To change file object position, use f.seek offset comma whence. The position is computed from adding offset to reference point. The reference point is selected by whence argument. Whence value of 0 measures from the beginning of the file. And one uses current file position and 2 uses the end of the file as the reference point. f.seek5 here. f.seek5 means go to the 6th byte in the file. You see here this file is opened in binary mode. That's why it is showing error here, because here I am using text file. So this is the reason behind this. And thank you for watching this video.